Stop scrolling. If you've ever bought a gadget online and regretted it, this video is for you. I went through dozens of cheap gadgets on Temu so you don't waste a single cent, and today I'm showing you the ones that are actually worth it. Some of these are under $10, but they work better than gadgets costing 5 times as much. So stay tuned because these are the gadgets that are cheap, crazy useful, and actually survive more than a week in real life.
Gadgets number 14, multifunctional phone stand. Let's start with the phone stand. It's simple at first glance, but the multifunctional design is insane. It rotates 360 degrees, folds flat, and holds tablets, phones, even thicker devices without tipping over. I tested it with a heavy iPad Pro and it stayed completely stable. I even used it for video calls, TikTok filming, and Netflix binge sessions. It's adjustable to any angle, so whether you're lying in bed or working at a desk, it's perfect. At less than $7 on Temu, this is one of those gadgets you didn't know you needed, but once you try it, you can't go back.
Gadgets number 13, Mini USB Vacuum Cleaner. Next up, this mini USB vacuum cleaner, tiny, cute, and surprisingly powerful. I tested it on my keyboard, car vents, and even my desk, and it picked up every crumb, hair, and dust particle. The suction is much stronger than I expected for a $5.99 device. Most of these vacuums on Amazon cost $20 or more, but this Temu version does the exact same job. It's rechargeable, lightweight, and perfect for small, hard-to-reach spaces. Honestly, if you have a messy desk or love keeping gadgets spotless, this is a must-have.
Gadgets number 12, magnetic cable organizers. If your cables are always tangled, these magnetic organizers will change your life. You just snap them onto your desk, nightstand, or any surface, and suddenly all your cables are perfectly aligned. No more digging for your charging cable or pulling on a mess of cords. I tested mine with thick USB-C cables, lightning cables, and even a few older HDMI cords. The magnets are strong enough to hold everything without slipping. At $3 to $4 each, this is a small investment that creates a massive improvement in organization. Gadget number 11, foldable silicone water bottle. A gadget I didn't think I'd love, a foldable silicone water bottle. BPA-free, collapsible, lightweight. I took it hiking, to the gym, and even on a flight. It never leaked once. When empty, it folds down to almost nothing, fitting in any bag or backpack. I even tested freezing it with water inside. The silicone handled it without cracking. The convenience and portability make it perfect for travel or daily use. Compare this to bottles selling for $25, you get the same functionality for under $10. Gadgets number 10, rechargeable LED clip light. For all the night readers and desk workers, this LED clip light is a game changer. Clips securely on books, laptops, or desks. The brightness is adjustable from soft ambient light to full reading mode. I left it on for 6 hours straight while working on my laptop. The battery barely moved. The build quality feels way above its price. For under $8, this light is not only practical, it's a real upgrade for your workspace. Gadget number 9, Mini+Handheld+Fan. Summer isn't over, and this mini handheld fan is a lifesaver. Compact, fits in your pocket, yet provides surprisingly strong airflow. I even used it in my car when the AC failed. It cooled me instantly. It's USB rechargeable, lightweight, and the battery lasts hours. Perfect for commuting, outdoor activities, or even just staying cool at your desk. It's cute, cheap, and built to last, a gadget I actually carry with me daily. Gadgets number 8, Smart Touch Key Finder. Ever lost your keys or wallet? This Smart Touch Key Finder is a game changer. Attach it to anything, pair it with your phone, and it beeps instantly. I tested it on keys, my backpack, and even a small toolbox. It never missed. The battery lasts months, it's lightweight, and the build feels solid. Under $6, and it's one of those gadgets you didn't know you needed until you had it. Gadget 7, Silicone stretch lids. If you hate wasting plastic wrap, silicone stretch lids are a must-have. They fit almost any container, seal tightly, and are reusable. I tested them in the fridge, freezer, and even microwave. They never lost the seal. Perfect for leftovers, meal prep, and keeping fruits fresh. At under $10 for a set, they're an eco-friendly, cost-saving upgrade for your kitchen. Gadget 6. Mini Bluetooth Speaker. Music lovers, check this out. A mini Bluetooth speaker that's compact but powerful. I took it to the park and it filled the space with clear, loud sound. The battery lasts 4 to 5 hours. It pairs instantly with any device, and the build feels way more expensive than it is. At under $15, this is perfect for outdoor trips, home use, or travel.
Gadgets number 5. Portable Coffee Dripper. This portable coffee dripper is perfect for anyone who loves fresh coffee but doesn't want to carry a bulky setup. It fits over any cup, and all you need is coffee grounds and hot water. I tested it at home, in the office, and even while camping, and every time it brewed smooth, rich coffee without any mess. The dripper is made of durable materials that handle heat well, and cleanup is incredibly easy. You can fold it flat and carry it in your backpack, making it ideal for travel. At around $7, it's a steal compared to specialty drippers that often cost $20 to $25. This gadget turns any ordinary cup into a personal cafe experience. Gadgets number 4. Cable bite protectors. These tiny gadgets may look decorative, but they're extremely practical. Cable bite protectors clip onto charging cables to prevent bending and fraying near the connector, a common point of failure. They come in fun animal designs, but beyond aesthetics, they extend the life of your cables significantly. I tested mine over several weeks with daily use, and my cables remained intact without any damage. They're incredibly lightweight, easy to attach, at around $3 for a set of 4. If you're tired of replacing broken cables all the time, these are a simple, effective solution. Gadgets number 3. Foldable Grocery Bag. Foldable grocery bags are a must-have for anyone who wants convenience and eco-friendliness in one. These bags fold down to a tiny pouch, yet they can hold up to 20 pounds without tearing. I tested mine with heavy groceries, gym gear, and even books, and it held up perfectly every time. The material is durable and washable, so it can be reused countless times. It's compact enough to carry in a backpack or Kirks, making it perfect for impromptu shopping trips. At under $5, it's one of the most practical gadgets you'll ever own. Gadgets number 2. Reusable food wraps. Reusable food wraps are a game changer for the kitchen. They replace disposable plastic wraps and can be used for sandwiches, fruits, vegetables, or even half a watermelon. I tested them in the fridge, and they kept food fresh for days. Cleanup is easy. You just rinse them with water and reuse them. The material is flexible, durable, and eco-friendly. They're a sustainable solution that saves money over time and reduces waste. At around $8 for a pack, these wraps are both affordable and environmentally responsible. Gadgets number 1. USB Cup Warmer. The USB cup warmer is my favorite for daily life. Plug it into a laptop, power bank, or any USB port, and it keeps your coffee, tea, or hot chocolate warm for hours. I tested it with different types of mugs and drinks, and it worked perfectly every time. The design is compact, portable, and sturdy enough to use at home, in the office, or even in a small dorm room. For anyone who hates lukewarm beverages, this gadget is life-changing. At under $10, it's practical, affordable, and one of the most underrated gadgets available. So there you have it, 14 cheap Temu gadgets that are actually worth it. Cheap, functional, and surprisingly durable. Links are in the description if you want to grab them. Remember, it's not about buying everything cheap, it's about finding the few that truly make life easier. Hit the like button if you found a gadget you'll actually buy, and subscribe for more real reviews and life-changing hacks.